Good morning. This is Chef Mary. I missed you all from my cooking. Today I have an assistant, Chef the Bomb, and he's helping me cut the fruit so I can show you guys the different ways of eating your oatmeal at home. Because at school we have a lot of kids with allergies, so I never use milk when I do my oatmeal. So today, and then we have a lot of children that are nut-free. So today we can use almonds, we have peanuts, we have cashews, we have kiwi, we have green apples and red apples, and he's cutting me some bananas. Usually I sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon for the kids. But today I'm going to show you other ways at home. Add apples like this for the kids. They don't like apples, or the ones that like kiwi, they could add kiwi to it. The ones that like banana, you could add banana on the side with the cinnamon. Or you can also mix almonds. Almonds and apples sounds good to me. And maybe some green apples with the kiwi. Whichever, mix or match. So the kids can get their fruit and their fiber for the day. But if you want, you could add milk and water for the kids that do drink milk. But here at school, I just add water. And my assistant here, Chef the Bomb, will give you ideas so that you can have the kids have like a fun breakfast, choosing the different toppings that they want for their oatmeal instead of just plain oatmeal like I do at work with the fruit on the side. They could make it more exciting since they're at home, bored. This could be an exciting breakfast for them to eat their oatmeal, even cereal, pancakes, whatever, when they have the choice of the different little toppings for their breakfast. Okay, Chef, give them ideas.
Oatmeal is fast, simple, and it's filling. So the thing about oatmeal is that you could actually use whatever ingredients you like. You could go from chocolate syrup, honey, cinnamon, all kinds of fruit, granola, yogurt, peanut butter. You could use all that in your oatmeal to make it and give it a great packing taste.
Example here, he put the green apple and the red apple and mixed nuts. Over here, he put strawberries and banana and cinnamon.
Strawberry and banana.
Yes. And over here...
Here, Shay, you want to do one yourself?
Yes, we'll put one with blueberries. Well, blueberries, raspberries, a few. Blueberries, which I know a lot of the kids love blueberries. A little bit of raisins and the blackberries. And then I'm going to add a little bit of honey.
It's delicious.
Because I love honey, but I think it wasn't open yet. I opened it with the honey. And people love honey that can have honey. I love honey on my toast.
Maybe you could put some...
Oh, and a little bit of apricots, because I love apricots.
What else do we have?
I think that's all we have.
Oh, and some love.
A lot of love with your kids while they sit there and eat it. They could even make you guys a bowl with their favorite fruits. I'm going to show you now how to make the oatmeal. I usually buy the Quaker Oats Quick 1 Minute Oats.
It's a good brand.
It's a good brand. And I put 2 cups of water. And I put just a little bit of sugar because I like to sweeten it up a little bit for the kids. Not much, just a little. And I'm not the type that really measures too much, but I'm going to go with a cup of oatmeal. I'm a little messy, so don't look. That's just my way of cooking. And I add this and let it stir it until it boils. And if it's too thick, just add more water. But if you guys can have milk, your kids, add milk. Half water, half milk, or all milk, whichever way you want it. Just keep stirring and stirring until it boils. Oh yeah. So try making this at home for your kids in the breakfast, or it could be an evening snack. Either way, they'll enjoy it. Bye-bye. Have a nice week, and I hope to send you some more videos soon.